Ready to order your Dibond metal sign? Use the price calculator on the product page to begin ordering your sign. First, determine the dimensions of your sign, both the height and the width in feet. Remember, you can choose any size up to a maximum width of 8 feet. If you require multiple signs, you can adjust the quantity here. Remember, Dibond metal signs have an aluminum finish on both sides, so you can order a double-sided sign if you need one. You have several options for customizing the content of your sign. If you already have a completed file, you can upload it here by clicking on the Get Started button. Or you can design your own sign by using one of our easy-to-use templates included on the Mr. Signs website. Or you can choose to have the graphics team at Mr. Signs design the perfect Dibond sign for you. The price, less the applicable taxes, will be displayed at the bottom of the price calculator. And below the price calculator, we provide a button for you to select your best shipping option. If you need further guidance on ordering a Dibond metal sign, please contact us at info@mrsigns.ca.